friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Testing Online. Today's video we are going to learn how to automate file upload using Playwright. File upload is one of the most common tasks used in web application and Playwright makes it really simple to handle. I'll show you step by step how to use the Playwright methods. We use setInputFiles method and I'll show you how to verify that the file has been successfully uploaded. So let's get started. Let's give the first step, which is test. I'm going to give the test name as file upload test. And then the first step is we have to navigate to the URL. So await page dot go to the URL. So this is the URL. This is the dummy website I'm using to practice Playwright. I will attach this link in the description so that you can also refer. So here we have a choose file button and then we have an upload button. When I click on choose file, it's directing me to the folder where we can choose the files. And then when I click on upload, it will upload the file. Let us automate this and will also do the verification process. Next step is we have to identify the locator. We have to identify the element by finding the appropriate locator. So I'm just going to inspect on this. When I hover over choose file, I could see this. We have an input tag and then we have ID. So I will use this XPath. I'm gonna give input. So this is the XPath. I'm just going to copy it. I'm gonna give here await page.locator. So here I will paste the locator that we identified and then I have to give here double quotes. All right. Then we are going to use dot set input files method. We will give the path directly. So in my desktop, I have this sample report file. I'm going to copy the path. Copy as path. And then I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, there is a mistake, which is we have to make sure that we should have a front slash here. Most of us make mistake over the backslash and front slash. So I will change this to front slash. The next step is to find the locator for the upload button. So I'm inspecting on upload. So we have an ID, file submit, just copy it and await page.locator. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna give here await page.pause so that you'll be able to see what's happening. Let us execute the test case and see if it's working correctly. I'm running this on headed mode. Yes, the file has been uploaded successfully. We could see the file upload confirmation message here. Now we have to verify the text. The verification is the important part of Playwright. So I'm going to use, let me go to the documentation. So I will be using to have text. I'm just going to copy these two statements, paste it over here. So inside the locator, I'm going to save the Locator, I'm going to give the locator of file uploaded of this text. So we have file uploaded. It's inside the h3 tag. Control F, h3 text. Set single quotes. Yes, we have got the locator. Now we are going to expect if the locator to have text, which is the file uploaded. Just copy it and paste up here. Sorry. Inside double quotes. Okay. Let us see if this is working as expected. Yes, the test case has passed successfully. So friends, I hope you have understood how to upload file using setInputFiles method. In my next video, we will meet up with a new topic. Until then, keep learning. Happy testing. Bye bye.